Hi, I'm Carly and welcome back to MHN Season 6, and this is School Announcements where I'll be giving you all the latest news on MHS and fill you in on what you might be missing during the daily announcements every week. Today is prom day. Everyone here at MHN is wishing you a great prom and stay safe. There are 13 days this month with standardized testing, including MCAS and AP testing. Students and staff should refrain from being near the gym and weight room during this time, and no announcements will be made over the loudspeaker during this time period. The next Saga Club meeting will be May 12th. The next International Club meeting will be May 19th. Both will be held in room B224. See Miss Adams for the link to attend remotely. Thanks for watching.
Hi everyone, I'm Connor.
And I'm Ryan.
This week on Boston Sports, we're going to be talking about the Red Sox and the Bruins. Red Sox started off the 2021 MLB season at 17-12. Xander Bogaerts is leading the team in batting average at .349, and he has 5 home runs. JD Martinez leads the team with 9 home runs and 26 RBIs. Matt Barnes has been a great closer for the Sox in pitching, with most games played at 11 and only allowing 5 runs in 12 innings and 20 strikeouts.
The Bruins season started off rough, but the playoffs will start on May 11th for the NHL. The Bruins sit in third, narrowly making the cut for this year, as only 4 teams from each division are making the playoffs. Jeremy Swayman, a 4th-string goalie, was called up when both Rosk and Halleck were injured. He was called up to play in 7 games and went 5 for 2 with a 9.46 save percentage.
Hey guys, welcome back to Photo of the Week.
I'm Molly.
And I'm Jenny, and tonight is a very special night. It is Prom Night! So to get us all in the mood and prepared for all the pictures we're going to take tonight, we thought it'd be fun if we shared with you some of our tips and tricks on how to capture the perfect photo.
We'll be talking about different aspects of prom photos and different types of photos you can take throughout the night.
One of my personal favorite shots are candids. Before you get to the venue, or even while you're at the venue, have the person taking your pictures keep taking them even though you may not be posing. Trust me, it is so worth it.
A great example of a candid is this photo of Miss Adams at her prom. She looks like she's having so much fun, and it's such a natural photo. Candids have always been a favorite of mine as well because they just seem so genuine and real, and you can tell that the people taking them are having so much fun. Also, did we mention there's going to be a photo booth?
I don't think we did, Molly.
Well, keep a lookout for the photo booth at prom. My one piece of advice for the photo booth is just have fun, because that'll make the best memories.
Molly and I will definitely be getting some pictures in the photo booth, so keep a lookout. Now, we have some generally important tips about taking pictures at prom. Molly, do you want to tell us the first one?
Of course. One of the best pieces of advice Jenny and I can give you is make sure you have good lighting. Lighting is crucial to getting good photos, and you want to make sure there aren't any weird shadows in the background of your pictures. Also, if you're taking pictures outside, make sure the sun isn't behind you.
Also, check the background of your pictures for objects and people you don't want in it. As you can see here, as beautiful as this picture is, Miss Bowen will be haunted by that one compost thing in the back of the picture.
Yes, that's a great point, Jenny. Tip number 3 is to get different types of angles when you're taking your pictures. You want to have plenty of options so you can find a specific picture that you really love. So don't be afraid to play around with different shots and get creative. Also, remember that photos will be captured throughout the night by a photographer.
I hope you all find these tips helpful and we'll put them to good use tonight.
We're so excited and we hope you guys are too, and we can't wait to see so many of you guys there tonight.
But for now, let's go back to the studio.
Welcome back to Life Hacks. This week, we're going to be doing something a little different.
We sure are, Henry. Over the year, we've been researching many things to find life hacks that actually work.
That we have. And this week, we found a couple that just seem too good to be true. So we're going to be testing them out for you guys.
And all you need is your car keys, some gum, and your phone.
Let's get into it. Hello, everybody. I'm testing out the life hack to see if you can unlock your car by putting it under your chin if you're out of range. And right now, if you can see, Can you zoom in on that beautiful black GMC down there?
Beautiful.
That is yours truly. And as you can see, I'm trying to click it and it's just not working. It is not having it. So we are going to try out our newest life hack. I will put it up to my chin and see if it works. Oh, it works. All right. This hack does in fact work. So be sure to try it out when you're walking to your car. So today we have a science expert, Mrs. Cairns, to help us with this next life hack. So Miss Cairns, studies have claimed that chewing gum improves your cognitive function and will help your performance on tests. Do you think this is true?
I think it has some truth, and I think it can be used for some students. I don't think it is something that you have to do. It doesn't replace learning and studying, but it is probably a good help for some students.
Okay.
And would you ever recommend this to any of your students?
I would recommend for some students that are problem focusing, and if they say to me that the test is too long, I would say, try to chew gum, and that may help you.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Thank you for having me.
For our last life hack, this is for those of you that are going to prom. So, as we know, because of the pandemic, obviously, we're not allowed to sing at prom. So what me and Sam have so cleverly figured out is that if you just record yourself beforehand singing, then you can play that on your phone during prom and it'll be like you're just actually singing. So we'll show you how to do it. Watch me whip,
Watch me nay-nay.
watch me whip, whip,
Watch me nay-nay.
watch me whip,
Whip.
nay nay.
Whip nay-nay.
Watch me whip,
Watch me nay-nay.
watch me whip, whip,
Watch me nay-nay.
watch me whip,
Whip.
nay nay.
Nay-nay.
We hope you guys learned a lot this week, and for those of you who are going to prom, have a great night.
And we'll see you next time on Life Hacks.
Hi everyone and welcome back to Tasty Time.
Today is prom. We are going to be informing you about everything you need to know for the prom menu.
The food is going to be served buffet style. Workers from Boxborough Regency will be wearing masks and gloves and serving the food onto our plates.
For starters, there will be salad and bread, and the entrees will be chicken ziti and broccoli with a garlic sauce, chicken fingers, and stuffed shells. The sides will be a vegetable medley and rice pilaf. Since there is salad, bread, stuffed shells, rice, and vegetables, vegetarians are accommodated.
If you are vegan or gluten-free, the hotel will be able to accommodate you and your needs too. There will also be a soda bar.
I think this is a very good menu. It has a wide variety of options, and I think there's going to be something for everyone.
I agree. I like how there's fancier dishes like the stuffed shells, and then there's also chicken fingers, so there's a big variety for what you can get.
For dessert, there will be a chef selection and coffee. I can't wait to dress up and see everyone's dresses.
Me too. I can't wait. There will also be a surprise towards the end of the night. Hint.
It's going to be a great time.
Yes, it will. Tune in next time for more tasty treats. Bye.